In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add and customize a logo on Wix ADI, a popular artificial design intelligence system. Start your journey by navigating to the Wix website dashboard. This will serve as your command center throughout this process. The dashboard is user-friendly and intuitive, making your experience as smooth as possible. Its arranged layout houses all the essential features to bring your website to life. Your next step is to locate the Quick Action button that's conveniently placed on the dashboard for easy access. This button is your gateway to a world of features available within Wix, making your customization journey an exciting experience. Once you have successfully located this, type in the word logo and click on it. This action will command the system to launch the logo creation process, and it instantly brings up the option to start creating your unique logo. When you click on the logo option, the system will prompt you for your business's name. So go ahead and enter your business's name. Remember, this name is not only a representation of your brand, but will also help in the logo generation process within the Wix ADI platform. Once you've keyed in your business's name, pause for a moment as Wix ADI does its magic. It will start creating a logo tailored specifically for your business. This technology-driven process marries creativity and precision to create a unique and captivating logo that encapsulates the essence of your brand. Once the system generates a logo, now it's time for you to customize it, making it a perfect fit for your website design. You will notice an option to customize your logo on the screen. Click on it, and you'll be taken to your logo editing workspace. This is where you get to let your creativity shine. As you explore the platform by yourself, you'll get to tweak the elements of your logo to best match your brand identity. Whether you want to adjust the color scheme, font style, or the layout, all these options are right at your fingertips. Make subtle changes. Keep experimenting until you're happy with the outcome. Customizing a logo on Wix ADI is indeed a breeze with these steps. Remember, a logo speaks volumes about your brand, and with Wix ADI, you're just a few clicks away from making it truly yours.